This project is going to focus on Piet Mondrian. Mondrian was a Dutch artist. He was from the Netherlands and he was famous for making paintings with lots of geometric shapes. If you can see here, the geometric shapes that he used were rectangles and squares. He didn't use circles or diagonals, and he was famous also for using the three primary colours, red, yellow and blue. Some of his work also incorporates black and white squares. This one that I have done here didn't have any black squares. Now we're not going to focus on a project like this, we're actually going to take it a stage further, and we're going to do a Piet Mondrian using the same colours but with a twist. And what I mean by a twist is by taking compasses and drawing circles. What you're going to need to do this project is a clean piece of white paper. You're going to need a compass to draw circles, circular shapes, a sharp pencil, a ruler, a black marker to trace over the pencil lines that you've done, and three primary colours in markers. Now initially, if you've never used a compass, I'm going to demonstrate to you now. Now here's your compass. I call these parts here the legs. You need to make sure that your pencil point and the metal point are perpendicular to each other. And I do it just by doing that there. If it's not, all you need to do is lift the latch, adjust the pencil, close the latch again and make sure that they're together. Now when you hold a compass to draw a circle, do not hold it with both hands or one hand around both legs, because if you do, as you draw the circle, it's going to close those legs up and you're going to get a jagged circle. What you need to do is either hold this leg or hold the handle. Now we're going to draw random circles, and I'm going to demonstrate here now. I'm going to draw some circles, and I'm going to move my pencil. I'm going to draw some more. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some random circles across this page, and I can adjust the size. I can make them big, make them small. I can even go off the page. I can make some small ones here. And when I've got enough circles, I'm actually going to take my pencil and also draw some lines, like rays coming out. When you've got the pattern that you're happy with, you can start filling it in with black. Now with your straight lines, you're going to require the ruler. If I show you here, if I want to take some lines coming out there, I've already started to put some black, solid black parts into this. I'm going to make this one thick, so when I get to colour it, I'm going to make this one like so. So I'm adding different thicknesses of lines, thin, thick, yellow, black. And also, very carefully, I'm going to create some curves. The circles, because your compass won't hold this marker, you have to be very steadily handed and trace around those circles. And I can create some bars as well and divide it up. And the more you do with curves and circles, the more interesting your composition is going to look. And go like that. When I'm happy with the layout, I will then take my three primary colours in markers and choose which section I wish to colour in, and which section I wish to have black, which section I wish to have red, which one I want yellow, and so forth, and leave the remaining ones white. When I have it completely done, you should have a unique but interesting composition like so. And this is what I call Mondrian, but with a twist.